This tutorial will teach you how to make a cute crossbody cat purse that is shaped like a cat's head. It will be a large tote bag with a clip-on strap and a simple lining on the inside. Just go ahead and download the free pattern if you follow the link in the description below. No email address required. To start with, we are going to apply interfacing to the front, the back, and one of the flap pieces. Now you want to sew the darts into the front and back of the bag. We want to get the two tab pieces on the side of your bag ready. So sew the two sets of tabs with right sides together along the longer sides. Then you want to turn them to the right side and press. Now you want to baste these tabs to the front of your bag, near the base of the ears. Sandwiching the tabs in between the layers, sew the front and the back of the bag together with right sides together. Leave the top open, so stop sewing at the dotted line that I have on the pattern. Now you want to turn the bag to the right side. Now let's get the flap ready. Sew the flap together with right sides together. Make sure to leave the top open. Clip the curves and turn the flap to the right side through the open top. You can also top stitch the edge for a neater finish if you want to. Baste the flap to the back of the bag, lining it up with the flat edge at the top of the bag. Now we want to get the lining ready. Sew the darts in the lining, and then sew the front and the back of the lining together with right sides together. Make sure to leave a gap at the base of the lining. Now you want to place the bag inside the lining with the right sides together and sew the upper edge. Clip the corners at the base of the ears as close to the stitching as you can get, and then turn the bag to the right side through the gap in the lining. Sew up that gap in the lining, and then place the lining inside the bag. I recommend top stitching here to get a neat finish along that upper edge. Now we just have to get the strap ready. Sew the two strap pieces together along the long sides with the right sides together. Now you want to turn the strap to the right side and press it. Add the clips to both ends of the strap. And you're finished. All you have to do is clip the strap to both of the tabs of the bag.